Did you know that more than $7 trillion are held in individual retirement accounts? Out of that $7 trillion, roughly 2% is being held in self-directed accounts. This percentage is growing steadily as more investors become aware of the opportunity a self-directed account offers. You, the investor, plays an essential role with a self-directed account. You are the one who decides how and where to invest your money. Self-directed retirement accounts give you the freedom to diversify your retirement portfolio with investments you know and understand, such as stocks, precious metals, and the most popular, real estate. Once it is decided where to invest the funds, the next step is for you to direct the administrator or custodian of your IRA to send the funds to complete the purchase. The process really is quite simple. Let me break down what you as the investor is responsible for in the process and what your administrator or custodian is responsible for. You as the investor will be responsible for identifying the investment, investigating the investment risk, conducting all due diligence, negotiating purchase price, and deciding whether to use leverage for your funds or to purchase in cash, pay administrative fees for the IRA, ensure investments are not prohibited by the IRS, direct your custodian to purchase investments in the name of the retirement account, and ensure transactions do not involve any disqualified persons. Now on the flip side, your administrator or custodian will be responsible for administering the sale of the purchase of assets and processes invoices, administers account contributions and distributions, provide accurate and timely IRS reporting, ensure accurate and up-to-date record keeping, and provide you with your annual statement each year. As I stated earlier, real estate tends to be the most popular investment in self-directed retirement accounts. Even during slow economic periods, real property's tangibility and potential for returns attracts investors and makes them feel comfortable. Proper due diligence is the first checkpoint in determining whether or not to proceed with an investment in real estate, from a small rental property to a large commercial building. My video on 7 things to consider when purchasing a cash-flowing investment property will provide you with insight on how to conduct this necessary due diligence. One of the most important things you will need to know about real estate owned in a self-directed IRA or 401k is that it must be an investment property. This means you and other disqualified persons, such as your immediate family, cannot live in the property. Here are some other important facts about owning property in an IRA or 401k. The property becomes an asset of the IRA or 401k. The IRA or 401k holds the title. Investors cannot purchase property that they, their spouse, descendants, or ascendants already own. All income and expenses generated by the property must flow into and out of the IRA or 401k. An IRA can get a loan to fund the purchase through non-recourse financing. We at American Real Estate Investments are able to provide you with this type of finance. All of our investment properties are pre-qualified through our non-recourse lender. When conducting real estate due diligence, be sure to 1. Understand the parties who need to be involved. American Real Estate Investments buys, renovates, and places tenants in all of their investment properties. 2. Know your real estate professional and check for any complaints on his or her record. At American Real Estate Investments, we go above and beyond for our clients. We even provide a 1-year guarantee on all of our homes. This covers any missed rent payments or maintenance requests in your first year. We do this so our investors feel comfortable making that commitment to invest with us. 3. Conduct a thorough inspection of the property through a trusted provider to see what repairs may be needed. We conduct a third-party inspection on all of our homes after they go through our renovation process. This report is provided to all of our clients. 4. Know the fees and who is responsible for paying them. Our transaction department, with the help of Community National Title, provides all of our clients with a sample HUD, or closing statement, that will outline all of the fees necessary to close. We will also walk you through each fee and explain who is responsible for the payment of that fee and why. Number 5, calculate the annual vacancy rate for rental properties. If the property could potentially be vacant for an extended period of time, the expenses can drain the IRA. Our tenants tend to stay in our properties for an average of just under 3 years. We are able to get our homes turned over for a new tenant and have that tenant occupying the property within 3 weeks. The idea is to always keep the property performing at its highest and best. Our property management company does an excellent job of providing this service for our clients. Number 6. Understand how long the closing process is, especially if you are buying a bank-owned property. American Real Estate Investments assumes all the buying risk. We purchase the bank-owned foreclosures, tax sale properties, and short sale properties for you. This process proves to be very timely and stressful for the investor. This is why we take care of the buying process for our clients. The time frame for purchasing a property directly from American Real Estate Investments only takes 30 to 45 days tops. Number 7. Complete a thorough title search to make sure there are no encumbrances or outstanding third-party litigation or claims. American Real Estate Investments partners with Community National Title here in Texas to make sure we are providing all of our clients with clear title. We go through this process on the front end to make sure all the title clouds are clear. We also advise all of our clients to purchase title insurance to ensure there are no issues with title in the future. Number 8. Determine whether you will need a property manager and find out the related costs. Since all of our investment properties are cash flowing through the rental payments of your tenant, you will need a property manager to manage the property for you. We do provide all of our clients with this service for an 8% fee of the monthly rental payment. Number 9. Check to see if any insurance is needed, like title, earthquake, flood, or fire. As I stated before, we always recommend our clients to purchase title insurance. At AREI, we do not purchase properties in a flood zone or any other hazardous areas because extra insurance costs tend to affect the rate of return we offer our clients in a negative way. Number 10. Make sure that the financials allow for an amount of liquidity in the IRA to pay for expenses. Since your investment property through AREI will be cash flowing through monthly rental payments, these payments will cover all of your monthly expenses involved with managing your asset. Our professional advisors at AREI will also make sure that you have the necessary reserves in your account in case anything unforeseen should arise. Now you might be asking yourself, what type of account should I purchase my investment property in? The type of account you use to purchase your investment in is one of the most important factors when investing through a self-directed account. Did you know that you are subject to paying taxes such as an unrelated business income tax or UBIT tax when purchasing an investment property through a self-directed IRA, but you are not if you purchase with non-recourse financing through a solo 401k? Our advisors at American Real Estate Investments will be able to explain all of your options to you in greater detail. Depending on which investment route you want to go, our team will recommend which self-directed account is most beneficial for you. If you would like more information on how to start investing with your retirement funds through a self-directed account, please feel free to reach out to our team at info@areiusa.com or contact our office directly, and we will schedule a consultation call with one of our professional advisors. This is John Larson, Sales Director of American Real Estate Investments. Thank you for your time, and I hope to one day help you achieve your investment goals.